In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Sweep in Outlook. If your email inbox is overflowing with newsletters, promotions, and other recurring messages, you're in the right place. Sweep is an incredibly useful feature in Outlook that can help you manage and organize these types of emails efficiently by automatically moving, deleting, or categorizing them. So, let's dive into how you can take charge of your inbox using Sweep. First, open your Outlook email and go to your inbox. There, you'll notice several options at the top of your screen, and one of them is prominently labeled Sweep. Now, don't worry if you haven't used this feature before, because it's designed to be simple and intuitive, perfect for a quick, effective inbox cleanup. Click on the Sweep option, and you'll be prompted with several choices tailored to organizing your emails efficiently. This feature allows you to quickly handle emails based on the sender, so start by choosing an email from a sender you often receive messages from, like a newsletter or a company promotional email. Once you click on Sweep, the first thing you'll want to do is select a folder where you want these emails to go. Depending on what you plan to do with these messages, you have several folder choices. You might choose to move them to a folder dedicated to newsletters, for example, or perhaps to one labeled for promotions or another personalized folder you've set up. This step is crucial for keeping your emails organized so you can easily find them later if needed. Following the selection of a folder, you'll want to pay close attention to the on-screen prompts that appear. These prompts will guide you through the rest of the process seamlessly, allowing you to decide whether to move, delete, or apply other actions to your emails. Each option gives you further control, like deciding whether to apply this action solely to existing emails, or to apply it also to future emails from the same sender. Be mindful of these settings, as they determine how Sweep will automatically manage your emails going forward. Take your time